In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly jump start a 2013 Dodge Charger. It's real simple. This is the contact point for the hot side, and that's the contact point for the ground side. And it's making this chirping noise because the battery is pretty much dead. So let's hook up the charger to it and see. I got my handy dandy Avapow jumper. This thing is pretty cool. All you really do is just hook it up here, hook it up there, boom, it's got power. Then you go ahead and start it up. Once you see that green light, and that's how easy it is to jump start a charger. You have the right jump box, you connect it right here for the hot, and right there for the ground. I'll leave a link in the description for this jumper. This thing is pretty cool. Stay tuned. Peace.